You slept 8 hours, but you still wake up tired. Here's the truth. You're not resting, you're escaping. Most people don't have a sleep problem, they have a stress problem. You go to bed with your mind racing, thinking, worrying, overthinking. Your sleep might be 8 hours, but your brain never truly rests. This is called mental fatigue, where your body is asleep, but your mind is still in battle. So you wake up exhausted, unmotivated, and irritated, and you think, I just need more sleep. Wrong. You need better rest, not just longer rest. Solution. Part 1. Mental shutdown ritual. Before sleep, do a mental shutdown. Write down your worries, to-dos, thoughts, empty your mind. Then read or meditate for 10 minutes. Calm your brain. No screens, no noise, just peace. This allows deep, restful sleep, not fake rest. Solution. Part 2. Energy reset. Every morning, move your body. Light exercise, stretching, cold water on your face. This signals your brain to wake up. Combine this with a consistent sleep schedule. Sleep and wake same time daily. Still tired? Comment. Energy reset. If you're ready to wake up fully alive. And if you want more life-changing solutions, subscribe, because sleep alone won't save you, but the right habits will.